well, boys and maybe one girl. I don't know. The first ride of the year is done. It's yeah, it's like 50 degrees outside, so it's not horrible. It's not super warm, but as you can tell, it was taken out. I've done probably let's see here. I did I did 8 miles. I went, got a coffee, got gas, came home, sprayed it off. Because as you know, the last video or whatever it came out with, you could tell that was very dusty because I hadn't moved in forever. So all I really wanted to do was, it's been November, December, January, February, March, 4 or 5 months depending on, since the last time this bike was actually used and ran, you know, up and down the road. It's been ran just like sitting here and idling and just to heat cycle it, but it's been a few months since it's actually been moved, so I just wanted to get some oil through it, you know, new gas, or run some gas through it and get new gas, you know, get some brake fluid pushing, let the clutch do what the clutch needs to do. So that was it. That's all I really wanted to do, and that's what I accomplished. It was a nice day out. It's still semi, as you can tell, you know, golden hour. Get it? Because it's gold. No, that's better representation. More, you know, golden hour. It is what it is. I just wanted to get out, and it's been 6 months and it's 50 degrees outside. You know, the itch was real. So we took the old girl out while the other old girl sits. More on that later. But yeah, I hope if you live in an area where it has been warm enough, like it is up here for today, and I think tomorrow is going to be warm enough, and then probably back in the shed for another month or so. But it was a quite enjoyable little day. I got coffee, I got fuel, I got some throttle therapy, and we're all good. So I hope you all had a good day. If you got out, comment down below what you were riding and how far you did, or if you went and just got coffee like me and puttered around. Make sure to check all the socials in the description below. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and I will see y'all later. Peace.